Soaked in flux.
Really good, yes.
Any tips?
Go dip it in slow, leave it in for about 5-6 seconds and slowly pull it out because you don't want it spitting and popping and stuff will burn you.
And then you're scraping out the dross.
Yeah, just running it on the towel. Gets the little bead off the edge.
And you're scraping the dross out of the trough.
Yeah. Use a piece of copper. Clean all the junk out. While we're pre-tinning the pans, we're just going to get a 1/2-inch fold on it. They're going to get locked together and dead blown flat and then soldered. So being pre-tinned like that, when you're sweating the joint, it helps seal the joint up and suck the solder back in. It's going to get 2 folds up on one side this way and then the reverse side on the 2 other sides. Subscribing 1/2-inch fold marks on 2 sides. And the reverse side on the opposite 2 sides.
Okay, you got two adjacent sides folded up, 1/2-inch folds on one side, 2 adjacent sides folded up. On the other side, and the corners are clipped off. How much? About 3/4 of an inch, approximately.
Yeah, I think 7/8.
7/8. And then these pans fit together. The next pan will fit over there. It'll get flattened down, and because there's already lead in the joint, it makes it a lot easier to solder and a lot easier for the solder to sweat in. And if you're soldering on a slope or in any kind of awkward or difficult situation, the pre-tinning helps make the soldering a lot easier and makes the solder joint guaranteed to be fully sweated and completely intact.